Hello my friends, it's Stas, and today I'm at the Brompton World Championship 2024, happening in the heart of London. Shall we? Brompton World Championship is the most iconic event related to our beloved folding bikes, centered around cyclists racing on their Bromptons, but having some nice twists on top. At first, cyclists fold their bikes and leave them a couple of dozen meters away from the starting line. Then everybody is going back to the starting point, and after a starting signal, people run to their bikes, unfold them and join the race. On top of the racetrack itself, nearby there was a nice little Brompton Village, with some cycling shops, snacks and refreshments, and Brompton-related activities. These include bike maintenance and repair studios, fastest fold and longest hold competition, all sorts of photo shoots, a draw for a limited edition Brompton, and of course, showcase and competition of best cycling costume.
Who are you? Where are you? I'm from Brompton!
Of course, the main element of the experience was the amazing Brompton community itself, with so many remarkable Brompton fans and exciting characters to meet on the day and share the joy of the moment. People were genuinely having fun, so the atmosphere was closer to a summer party rather than a sports event. Is it your first Brompton World Championship?
First one, unfortunately. I wish I was there for more of them, but yeah.
Do you like it? What's your emotions about it?
I keep getting stopped for photos, it's great, and interviews, so it's going good. Attention,
awesome.
Yeah.
And tell me about your suit, your attire for today.
So, I'm gold for a reason, so this is what I do in my spare time. I shout at people who are not in gold, but Brompton haven't released another gold Brompton since 2019. So I'm getting people to sign a petition, and I'm giving away a gram of gold to someone to sign my petition for a gold Brompton, because Brompton should release another one.
Very cool.
So yeah.
Awesome. Then all the best of luck for the race today, and enjoy the day today.
And have a gold bar for your
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Great to meet you. Is it your first Brompton World Championship today?
It is, yes.
And what do you think about it? What's your kind of feeling and emotions?
It's good fun. So I've been trying to get into the race for 8 years now.
Oh, very nice.
Yep. So yeah, it's really exciting to be here.
Very cool.
Yeah.
And tell us about your attire and your kind of suit for today.
Okay. So I'm from Yorkshire, North Yorkshire.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah. So, but I've always fancied the idea of wearing a kilt. So I borrowed this from a friend, and I thought, well, why not? Let's do something different. But I actually like cycling in my kilt.
Very cool.
So
Awesome.
I think I'll do it again.
Yeah, I totally share your appreciation to kilts, to be honest. Awesome.
But because I had the kilt, I thought I had the proper Scottish shirt as well.
Indeed, very cool.
Yeah.
Cool, it's great to meet you and enjoy your day.
Okay,
have a nice day.
have a good day.
So is it your first Brompton Championship today?
No, this is probably my 5th or 6th one.
Wow, very cool.
So yeah, I've been in it for quite a long time.
Awesome. And how's it different to your previous rides?
This is it's in the city, so it's a lot tighter track. So it's got to be careful of that. And a couple of corners I've heard are quite bad. So
Got it.
just taking it easy and have fun.
Awesome. And did you already cycle, or you're gonna do it in a couple of minutes?
No, I haven't raced just yet.
Okay, got it.
So my race is coming up. About 1:20 is my race. So we're getting close. So soon enough.
Got it. Very cool. And tell me about your attire, like your Brompton and your costume for today.
I've always been fascinated with bumblebees since I was born, and I thought, got a Brompton and it was all yellow, and I thought, what can I do to make it more bumblebee-like? And over the years, it's just kind of evolved into this.
Very cool. It looks stunning. I really like the style.
Yeah.
Awesome. It was great to meet you, and all the best with your ride later today.
Yeah, and you. Thank you
Enjoy your
very
day.
much.
Have a nice
Bye.
day.
Bye.
See you. Finally, Butler-Adams, CEO of Brompton, has also joined the event, and it was interesting to hear his reflections about the history of the brand and the path it went through over the last couple of decades. Here's one specific moment that is probably the best summary of it all.
If you were to sum up Brompton in 3 words, what would those 3 words be?
One word, freedom.
Freedom.
That's what it is. It's just freedom.
Do you agree?
For me personally, it was the first actual cycling race, even though I did a bunch of long-distance sportives on my Brompton before. So I wanted to share with you the look and feel of the Brompton World Championship 2024, like how you would see it with your own eyes. And that's pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you do. I wish you all the best with your Brompton cycling adventures and see you next time!